Good morning children, I hope class 9 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. Last day we had done exercise 2B and today we are going to learn division algorithm in polynomials and some solved examples we will see. So, let us start. Here you see, let Px and Gx be two given polynomials such that degree of Px is greater than or equal to degree of Gx. Two polynomials you have Px and Gx, where Px is greater than or equal to the degree of Px is greater than or equal to the degree of Gx. Suppose you have any equation Px is equal to x square minus 2x plus 5 and Gx is equal to x minus 3. So, degree of Gx is lesser than degree of Px over here, because here you have x square, here you have x, or it may be equal also. On dividing Px by Gx, let Qx be the quotient and Rx be the remainder. Suppose if you are dividing x square minus 2x plus 5 by x minus 3. So, some quotient you will get. So, suppose that you are getting Qx. If you are dividing, definitely some quotient you will be having and some remainder you will have. So, remainder suppose you have Rx, some value you will get over here in the place of Qx and Rx. So, suppose quotient you have got Qx and remainder you have got Rx. Then in general we have, generally what we do, dividend, it means x square minus 2x plus 5, or you can say Px. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient and plus remainder, that we write. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Suppose very simple example you see, suppose 5 is being divided by 2, 2 to the 4, remainder is 1. So, this 5 it can be written as 5 is equal to 2 into 2 and plus 1, it means divisor into quotient plus remainder, that can be written. The same thing has been written over here, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient in whole and plus remainder. And if this you will write in this form, so you will be having Px, it means this one, Px is equal to Gx into Qx and plus Rx, where Rx is equal to 0 or degree, Rx is lesser than degree of Gx. You need to remember this. Either suppose if in division what you get, either you get 0 the remainder, or you get remainder that must be lesser than the divisor. Whatever remainder you get, that must be lesser than the divisor. Here you see remainder you have got 1, that is lesser than 2. Either you will get 0 or lesser than the divisor, you cannot get equal to divisor or more than divisor. It means 2 if your divisor is 2 and your remainder is coming 2, it means somewhere you have done mistake, that will not, you will not get remainder equal to divisor. Definitely any number you will get, that will be either 0 or lesser than 2. So, here what has been written, remainder Rx what you will get, that is either 0 or degree of Rx will be lesser than degree of Gx. Gx means divisor. Here you see example 1, verify division algorithm for the polynomial. So, division algorithm is nothing but the same what we have studied before, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, that is division algorithm. So, Px is equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 and Gx is equal to x minus 2. So, you need to verify division algorithm by this. So, what will you do? You will divide this Px by Gx. So, some Qx you will get and some Rx you will get, and then you will write Px is equal to gx into qx and plus r. So, that is true or not, you need to verify that. So, here you see how it has been solved, and even you need to find out P2 also. Here you see by long division we have 3x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 0x square, because x square you do not have, and that is why 0x square has been written. Here you see x square term you do not have, and that is why it has been written 0x square minus 3x minus 1. So, it has been divided by x minus 2. So, your p x is equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 0x square minus 3x minus 1, and your gx is equal to x minus 2. So, I hope you remember in class 8 already it has been done. So, how it is to be done? Your divisor is x minus 2. So, first term we will see. First term you have 3x to the power 4. We need to know what number when we divide some number. Suppose when we are dividing 25 by 2. So, what we try to do? We need to multiply this number so that we will get the first term, or here you have first digit, either that should come equal to this digit or about to this digit. So, what we will do? 2 1 ja 2. So, equal to this we have got, and then we have got remainder 0, and then next term is taken down. Like that we proceed. The same thing is required to be applied over here. When you are dividing this first term, you see you have 3x to the power 4. So, now you need to know this x minus 2 is your divisor. So, which term, which number or which variable will be multiplied by x minus 2, so that you will get 3x to the power 4. So, if you want to get 3, so we need to multiply by 3, so that you will get 3 into x, 3x, but you need to get x to the power 4. So, what we need to multiply? X to the power 3, so that we will get 3x cube into x will be 3x to the power 4. So, first term we have got 3x to the power 4, and then this term you have multiplied with x. This is also in the same term, x minus 2 is your divisor. So, you will multiply 3x cube with 2 also. So, what will you get? 3 2 ja 6x cube. So, when your quotient is 3x cube, you will be having product 3x to the power 4 minus 6x cube. The same thing has been written over here. Now, you see what we do? We subtract the term. So, when we subtract, we change sign. I hope you remember. So, this 3x to the power 4 and 3x to the power 4 got cancelled. Now, you have minus 4x cube minus 6x cube, but sign has been changed. So, 6x cube you have plus. So, if you are subtracting this, what you will get? 6 minus 2, you will get 2, and x cube will be written down. So, 2x cube you have got. Next, all the term will be taken down. So, next term you have 0x square minus 3x minus 1. So, first term has been eliminated, has been cancelled. Now, we will proceed the same thing by eliminating the terms. So, here you have now 2x to the power 3. So, for getting 2x to the power 3, what we need to do? We need to think by which number this should be multiplied, so that we will get 2x to the power 3. So, here you see again the same thing is required to be applied. X minus 2 you have. Now, we need to think how we will get 2x cube. So, for getting 2x cube, again we need to multiply it by 2, so that 2x you will get, and x cube you need to get. So, x square will be required to be multiplied. So, if you are multiplying x minus 2 by 2x square, what will you get? 2x square into x, you will get 2x cube. 2x square into minus 2 will be minus 4x square. So, if you are multiplying by 2x square, you have got 2x cube minus 4x square. this will be written over here. Now again it is needed to be subtracted, and for that you need to change the sign. So sign has been changed. Now this is equal, so this will be eliminated. Now you have 0x square plus 4x square. So if we will add, we will get 4x square, minus 3x will be taken down, minus 1 will be taken down. Same process will be applied for the next term. Now 4x square is required to be eliminated. So again we will think by x minus 2 what term should be multiplied, so that we will get 4x square. So definitely we need to multiply it by 4x, so that if 4x into x, this will be 4x square, 4x into minus 2 means minus 8x. So this term is required to be written over here, sign will be changed, this got eliminated, you are left with plus 8x minus 3x. So plus 8x minus 3x you will get 5x. Next term you have 1 has been taken down, minus 1. Now at last you see you are left with 5x minus 1. So we need to get 5x now. So again we will think by which number it should be multiplied, so that we will get 5x. So by 5 you multiply, 5 into x, 5x you have got. If suppose here minus you would be having, then we would multiply by minus 5, but you have plus, that is why plus 5. 5 into x, 5x minus 10. This has been written. Again sign has been changed, this 5x got eliminated and you are left with 9. So now your qx is equal to 3x cube plus 2x square plus 4x plus 5, and your rx you have 9. Rx remainder you have got 9. Now we need this division we have made. Now we need to verify this. Here you see, quotient you have got 3x cube plus 2x square plus 4x plus 5, and remainder you have got Rx is equal to 9. So what says division algorithm? Division algorithm is Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. That we need to see that is coming or not. So Gx into Qx, this Gx into Qx plus Rx, you write down over here. Your Gx is x minus 2, Qx you have got this much, and your remainder is 9. So this is needed to be multiplied. So you multiply this, x minus 2 into 3x cube plus 2x square plus 4x plus 5. This you multiply, you will get 3x to the power 4. Here you see x into 3x cube, this will be 3x to the power 4, x into 2x square. So this will be 2x cube, and 2 3 just 6x cube. So minus 6x cube and 2x cube will become minus 4x cube. In this way, in rough you multiply this, you will get 3x to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 10 plus 9. This is your plus 9. Then you simplify this, minus 10 plus 9 will be minus 1. So this is actually what? This is Px. So when you are multiplying Gx and Qx and adding Rx on that, you are getting Px. It means your division algorithm what you have, Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx has been verified. And where degree of Rx you see, degree of Rx, here you have degree of Rx is what? 0. So that should be equal to 0 or lesser than degree of Gx. So that is there, your Gx is x minus 2, your Gx is x minus 2, and Rx what you have got, that is 9. It means degree of this polynomial is 0, and that is verified. So in this way we need to do a verification. First we need to divide what has been given, and then Gx is this Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. We need to show that is coming or not, and then you had to find out P2. So just you put the value as you have done in previous exercise. So, your equation you have 3x to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. Here you need to put 2. So, 3 into 2 to the power 4 minus 4 into 2 to the power 3 minus 3 into 2 minus 1. You simplify this, you will get 9. So, what you have observed, when Px is divided by x minus 2 means Gx, then the remainder is P2. What you are getting? Your remainder is coming P2. Because if P2, if you are putting, you are getting remainder 9, it means you are getting P2. Next example you see, verify division algorithm for the polynomial. The same thing has been done, you see. I hope you understood, you will be able to do x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 3, x plus 2 you have divisor. So, again first term you have x cube. So, what number you think what term we will keep, so that we will get x cube. So, here we need to keep x square, just you see x square into x will be x cube and x square into 2 will be 2x square. This term is required to be written over here. Now, we will subtract this. So, x cube and x cube will get eliminated. This x cube and x cube will get eliminated and minus 2x square and x square will become minus x square. Next term you have 2x and 3 that has been written. Now, again x plus 2 you have. So, we need to think by which term we will multiply x plus 2, so that we will get minus x square. So, here you need to multiply by minus x. So, that minus x into x minus x square minus x into plus 2 is, it means minus 2x. So, minus x square minus 2x we have written, sign is required to be changed and minus x square and this will be cancelled and you will be left with 2x plus 2x, that is 4x, and next term you have 3 has been taken down. Now, again you need to see x plus 2 you have divisor, by which term it will be multiplied, so that you will get 4x. So, clearly it is required to be multiplied by 4. So, 4 into x 4x and plus 8. So, this has been written. Now, 4x and 4x got eliminated and you are left with minus 5. So, your Gx is equal to x plus 2, Qx you have got x square minus x plus 4 and Rx you have got minus 5. Now, you verify. So, for that what you need to do? This both the term are required to be multiplied and this is required to be added on that. So, try to do that. Here you see, if you are multiplying x square minus x plus 4 by x plus 2, what you will get? Here in polynomial you can multiply by, in generally what we do, we start with by right side, but here you can start by any side, either left or right. So, if you are multiplying by x, what you will get? X into x square, x cube, x into minus x square, x into 4, 4x. Now, 2 into x square. So, similar term is required to be written together. 2x square we will write over here, x square and x square. 2 into minus x minus 2x and 2 4 ja 8, this we have written. Now, you see, here you see we will add this x cube minus x square and plus 2x square. So, what you will get? Plus x square and here plus 2x and plus 8. So, this you have got if you are multiplying Gx and Qx. Now, you need to add Rx on it. If you are adding minus 5, what you will get? X cube plus x square plus 2x and plus 3. Now you see what you have got, x cube, x square plus 2x plus 3. It means what you have got? You have got Px. So, finally, you have verified Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. Here you see the same thing has been done, Gx into Qx plus Rx, you have got this is equal to Px. So, this has been verified, and where Rx is equal to -5 and degree of Rx is equal to 0 or lesser than 1, and that is equal to degree of Gx. Thus, division algorithm is verified in this way, it is needed to be written. Now, you had to find out p minus 2, when you are putting the value in the polynomial you will get -5. It means what? When Px is divided by x plus 2, then the remainder is p minus 2. Then you have remainder theorem. So, in this year you do not have to study remainder theorem. So, not to worry about this, but then also you can see if you want. This is very easy, what you have done, the same thing is there. Let Px be a polynomial of degree 1 or more, and let alpha be any real number. If Px is divided by x minus alpha, suppose Px, as you have seen, Px is divided by x minus alpha, then the remainder is P alpha. Here just one thing you need to remember. If x by x minus alpha you are dividing, your remainder will be r will be plus alpha. If you are dividing by suppose minus 2, so your remainder will be 2. If you are dividing by minus 3, your remainder will be 3. If you are dividing by x plus 2, then your remainder will be minus 2. This only you need to know, that is it. So, you can go through, that is very easy, that is not difficult. So, then starts solved examples. Here you see, find the remainder when the polynomial of Px is equal to this is divided by Gx x minus 2. So, you either you need to you can divide yourself, as in division algorithm you have seen how it to be divided. So, you can divide and you can find out, or by remainder theorem, as now I told you that Gx is equal to 0. So, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 2, just now I made you understand, if by x minus 2 it is getting divided, then your remainder will be plus 2. If by plus 2 it is getting divided, your remainder will be minus 2. These things only you need to remember. So, here you see, if by x minus 2 it is getting divided, your remainder will be plus 2, it means x will be plus 2. Now, just you put the value on the given polynomial, you will get the answer. So, hence the required remainder is what? 21. So, what in division algorithm, in verification or observation you have seen, the same thing is remainder theorem. So, the same thing is required to be done, or directly you can divide also and you can find out. That is bit long process, and this is bit shortcut. Then you have find the remainder when the polynomial this is divided by Gx, the same thing is required to be done, x plus 3 is equal to 0 you need to do, so that you can find out x is equal to minus 3. So, if you are putting the value of x in the given polynomial, what value will come, that will be your answer. Then you have find the remainder when polynomial, the same thing is there, 2x minus 1 you have. So, you need to do 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, x will be equal to, just you see, minus 1 will be taken right side. So, it will become plus 1, and this is in into 2 into x, that will go right side and will go in division. So, x is equal to 1 by 2. Now, in this polynomial, just you put the value of x is equal to 1 by 2 and find out what you will get, 3 by 2. This simplification you must know, you should do, and I hope you will be able to do, just you find out, and that this will be your answer. Then you have find the remainder when the polynomial Px is equal to this and Gx is equal to 2 plus 3x. Again the same thing is there, Gx is equal to 2 plus 3x, and that is equal to 0 you do. So, x will be what? 2 will be taken right side, will become minus 2, and 3 is in into 3 into x will go in division. So, x is equal to minus 2 by 3, and this is required to be put in this polynomial in place of x, and you find out value, and that will be your answer. Next you see, find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus pi. So, x will be minus pi. So, if you are putting the value, what you will get? Minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. So, do not get confused or do not get afraid by saying pi. So, whatever value will come, that will be your answer. Here you have let p x is equal to this, g x is equal to this. Check whether p x is a multiple of g x or not. So, again what you need to do, g x is equal to 0. Here you see g x is equal to 2 minus 3 x. So, you need to find out x is equal to 2 by 3. By the remainder theorem, we know that p x is divided by 2 minus 3 x, then the remainder is p 2 by 3, remainder is coming 2 by 3. So, if you are putting value, what you will get? 17 by 27, and that is not equal to 0. So, remainder you need to find out. If remainder is coming 0, it means that is a factor of that, it means that is exactly divisible, and if 0 is not coming, it means that is not a factor of that. Suppose here you see, if 4 is being divided by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 0 remainder you are getting, it means 2 is a factor of 4, but if 5 is being divided by 2, then remainder you get 1, it means 2 is not a factor of 5. So, if remainder is not coming 0, it means that is not a factor of that only you need to show. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So, two ways are there, either directly you divide 3x cube plus 7x is required to be divided by 7 plus 3x, and then you see what remainder is coming. If remainder is coming 0, it means this is a factor of this, or just by remainder theorem, just you put the value of x and you find out. So, you have got remainder minus 490 divided by 9, it means that is not equal to 0. So, this 7 plus 3x will not be the factor of this. If it would be the factor, then you would have got remainder 0. Here you see, if the polynomials 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and this leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 2, find the value of a. Also find the remainder in each case. How it has been solved, you see, let f x is equal to this and g x is equal to x cube plus x square minus 2x plus a. When f x is divided by x minus 2, remainder is what? Remainder will come? Plus 2. When g x is divided by x minus 2, remainder will come 2. So, if you are putting f2 on the given equation, you are getting 17 plus 4a, and in g2 if you are putting, you are getting 8 plus a. So, 17 plus 4a should be equal to 8 plus a, and if you will simplify, you will get a is equal to minus 3. So, in this way this is required to be solved. And then comes exercise 2c. So, you start exercise 2c, whatever questions are possible to be done, you try to do. So, these questions will be very important. By actual division, find the quotient. Question number 1, verify the division algorithm for the polynomial. This will be very important, and this, since remainder theorem you do not have to study, so that is why this will not be very important for exam, but for your own practice you may do, because in many examples already you have seen. So, you will be able to do, but these two questions will be very important for this exercise. Okay. So, up to here I hope you understood and you will be able to do. So, each and every example whatever has been given with division algorithm must be there in your notebook in proper order, in proper way, that must be written. So, next day we will discuss next thing. Till then, thank you.